and I am going to turn a new page as of tomorrow. No, as far as where Jayden is concerned, as I said, I've got and this is my things what I do when we do in a secret. Anybody can ask me, but if some of the things when I feel like mustn't go into the public, I'm not gonna put it out there. As I said, I feel like I'm in a very, very good place now, and I would like some assistance from the public because I am doing a public service to get me up to where we can get the private investigator, and then I will sign up the papers them with him. I'm still obviously need to get to Andreen. I've got about 3 numbers for Andreen, but because of the passa, I don't want a phone and I never use a phone her.
We did have one in a Tiger.
Huh?
We did have a private detective on the job, and the private detective was in Jamaica.
Because
matter of fact, we had 2 private detectives.
What was the result of that?
Okay, like I said, Tiger, I'm not gonna say that on the platform. I'm not.
Everything was going on good, Tiger. As we said, it was just a backlash.
Very good.
Tiger, Tiger, we can talk on the platform about the detective, but it didn't leak to us. You understand? So we have to talk to you on and off because
right.
So on the ground.
So let me ask you guys, because I've never actually used a private investigator before. So let me ask you guys, because the one that I'm getting now, right?
And tattoo, if you are planning on marching for Jayden, we are willing to support you in anything you need, and we'll be there with you as well. You understand? Good.
Yeah, man, we have a march coming up for Jayden in Mandeville.
Yeah, man, just tell me the date and the time, and I will arrange stuff for you guys. But now I am focused.
Man, just do your thing, man. Just do your thing now. Do your thing, and we will put our thing together. So when that time comes, we will.
Can I clear up one thing, please? Because I think I heard this before, where people saying that, oh, I lost my credibility because I came out and said that the principal was suspended. I never came out and said the principal was suspended.
No, you didn't.
Never ever said that. I said to someone that I sent a message to, I heard that the principal was suspended, and I'm going to confirm it with ministry. When I emailed ministry, I did not get a response from them to confirm whether the man was suspended, and I did not tell anybody that, matter or no one, that the principal was suspended.
And that is why me say to Tiger today, say that is why me say to me just refresh back everybody memory. We cannot allow the people who are come up in our backs to dictate to we and to cast propaganda, because Tiger will tell somebody say wait the little and that person go add on pan it and people gone with it again. So we know where is the house, right? When people come with information, kill it. You are the one because them cannot spread it. You understand? Use up the power that you have.
I wanted to confirm it with ministry, and they did not confirm it with me. So therefore, I did not tell anybody the principal was suspended. I don't work like that. So I don't know where somebody got that from and was running with it all over the place and still running with it. I did not say he was suspended. And
lot of backlash same way, but I just say
24 hours. Somebody can be. I suspend staff for 24 hours if they're not obeying the policy of my company. So people can be suspended for 24 hours. I did not say terminate. Yeah. So even if somebody is suspended, doesn't mean they're terminated. They can go back to work.
I have a question for Lena and for Durval, right? In regards to your contact at the DPP, right? Are you willing to share that contact with like the platforms who have information? So we keep it like
it all depends on who on the it depends
like
on
me.
Who.
Yes,
like to me.
Yes,
like
and it can't share here.
I am
and it
really
cannot share here.
Going to get into any
1-1, guys. 1-1.
I am really
and it cannot share
not going to
here.
get into the problem with that because I have to be careful who I send out information to, because right now she is watching and we do not know. And I not want to show you her page. She's watching and we do not know. And also, the detective are what? And we do not know. And I'm going to
No,
show
what
you
I-
everywhere I go, they follow
Yeah.
me.
Now, what I'm saying is this, right? If the person actually works for the DPP, right? We have information that we want to submit, okay? If everybody's submitting information to the
You see,
DPP all over the
yeah, boss.
place,
Yeah, boss.
yeah,
All right, I'm gonna arrange a meeting
yeah,
with the DPP again after the march. I'm gonna arrange
Yeah.
a meeting with her, with you
Yeah.
and the host right here, and my auntie and Team
Okay.
Motto and Spiritual and also Lava. Because Lava dimed to meet her as well.
No, Derval, I don't want to get into that meeting with all those persons. If I'm doing a meeting, I want one trusted person that I can
Yes.
take,
Okay.
and that's all I want. One trusted person.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't
We have
want to
talk-
end up in
I-
any
we have to
problem
talk
again
about
with
this off
people.
here.
And that is why I am treading a very thin line.
Yeah.
A very thin line.
yeah. Discuss it between this, yeah,
One of the people, we have to be careful what we see in the media now. We have to just
Yeah.
talk off the ear with this.
But
off
Yard
the
Boss,
ear with
if
this,
you
because
want to
right
get
now
something
people-
to DPP, we can arrange for you to get something to DPP.
No problem.
Just
yeah,
leave
yeah.
it
I
like
can.
that.
Yeah, so this is the thing, right? I've been talking to the main suspect for the past 3 weeks, right? I am going to submit information to the DPP. But what I don't want is if we already have someone who is working on Jayden case, okay, that would be the person that would be suitable to receive the information that I have.
Right, but
Okay.
even if you submit to DPP,
Yeah.
it's going to pass on to the person that is in charge of his Jayden's case.
Okay.
They're
All
still
right.
going to pass it on to that person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So that's fine.
That's how it goes.
Give the question to the person that's in charge of Jayden case, and the person take that further information. So for now, let us rest this case for now until we meet off the air.
Perfect.
Yeah, man.
Perfect.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
I'm
go get-
happy. Tiger, I thank you so much for setting up this meeting. I'm happy that everybody cleared the air. It's 3:24 a.m. right now where I am, and I'm up sounding strong. But if you ever need me, just DM me and I'm on it, okay? I am going to say good night to everyone.
Yeah. I'm never say big up Sunset upon the platform with the same, you know.
I'm gonna say big up to everyone, big up to Tiger, big up to everybody in the box right now, big up to everybody in the Far You page, big up to everybody right now. We are looking at see what going. It is a good move. Big up everybody, big up on yourself.
Yeah, me I got
And also,
enforce for
I want to
yourself,
say
Motto.
thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for this meeting.
Motto.
Because right now, I rejoice and happy now.
Yes.
Motto, let me tell you something, man. I got second and third of what you just said. You see, that is something that I tried to put out before, you know. People, Motto, as a host, we have to know what to take and run with and what to try to get to the depths of. You understand? And if as hosts,
Yeah.
if we don't do that, we're gonna always have a problem. When cause people is gonna always favor Motto more than they favor Tiger, so they will go and tell Motto things. So Motto have to be the person to
Yeah.
sift through it and say, all right, what could have made Tiger say this? And I
Yes.
feel like we should start to DM each other. Tiger, you don't have to tell me the name. Somebody said, you said Motto head big. What's the case? What's going on? I'm not gonna say Motto, that's not
Yes, because people we set up people we set up me and Tiger feel live by so me call Tiger in the man. Me say Tiger Wagwan, you good?
A lady-
How you
a
did
lady
today,
did it to
alright?
me.
But
A
you know
lady
say me
did
just
it
a
to
come
me.
in from work and me go live. Yeah.
A lady did
supposed
it
to
to
go.
me. A lady was over here one night and I can't remember what happened. And she went back, I swear to God, I've got it on record. She went back and tell one complete different story from what happened. And that lady
Exactly.
was the lady that put me into all of these mess that I was in.
Ah, man,
And
tell
I
you.
promise you, on my life, it never.
Me believe
never,
you. I believe you
never
100%, 1,000%, and that is the
And
reason
let
why
me
we
tell
have to
you
be careful
something.
on the platform
Even
because we can't allow the
people
people
is-
to set we up. Make me and you
Let
live
me tell
back.
you something, Motto. Let me tell you something. I run a morning live where me and the people, 6,000, 5,000 people in my live, I'm walk up and down. All that the people I say me that Australia, me there this, me they had that. Nobody, no, that's where me live doesn't have anything to do with me fighting for Jayden. And even that, you understand? Nobody where I live. Nobody doesn't.
That's true.
That lady
That's true.
and she spreads.
Yeah, y'all live, man. Y'all leave the man alone. I just trade and we are set putting things together. Yeah.
So I would like.
So you understand what me I say? Yeah.
The whole away, especially we, cause guys, let me tell you something. The people in the chat are only run the show, but you don't have to steer the thing properly as well. You can't you can't run with the news back and forth. You don't have to, cause listen, you say if the whole of we platform come together, I tell you so we are giant outer road. Them can't run put way. But when we are pull left and right like tag and war, it not gonna benefit you. I tell you that it's not gonna benefit us.
And remember,
it's not gonna benefit us.
Michelle in the chat.
True, man.
Surprise.
True.
We have sunshine in the chat. This is what we do last Tuesday and said this is what we need to happen and see it come true. Yeah, would I like many more to join, but it never happened tonight. And next time it will happen.
Can I say something quickly though before we come out fight?
Go ahead.
Actually, me never really apologize. Only one person, me and them really, me never too fan of, to be honest with you. So me I go apologize to him, you know. You might not know me, but I yard boss. So, cause you know with the whole thing and the whole situation, me never like it. So me that beat you to see him way. So, me don't know if you might hear me right now, but me have to apologize because if what him did I do, and it's a good thing, me I go apologize. You know what I mean? Me might get a backlash for it because people might hear it and say me gone soft, but I'm not soft.
No, man thing.
No, what me I say is, people find my little thing when we do because of how the situation. So, me just want to take this time and apologize to him for, the whole situation and how it set up, because when you don't know things and you hear things, yeah, you just come off and you just, whatever comes on your tongue, you just say it. So, me just, come through and I apologize for that because my sister what I do is the right thing and really and truly I couldn't make nobody know if I saw it go. So for that, I go apologize because me and nobody else never have any problem because me a man me just do my thing but it don't last on me roll. So yeah, I go apologize for that and go on,
Yeah, and
to the host now, you said you have something in your bio. In your bio, can you update me on that?
So it's a goal for me what we had do from God knows when, from before Flintstone can get engine. But because of the whole heap of backlash and everybody going against it and people are scam and rob, we're not getting anywhere. And right now I've got a PI. We just need to pay the PI and sign the papers them and get him to do the work. So I'm just asking for who, and I said $10, $1, $2 we need to get there. And so the PI that we had before, it was $6,000. So right now we need to raise at least $3,000 to get this one started. And I make a pledge that I was gonna get this one started before the ending of the month. And the ending of the month passed and I'm still here. But it's just, and this is what I'm saying, the people who are causing the problem, they're not doing anything. They just go running around Islands and just the higgle and do higgle things and cause higgle problem. So
Not a party.
And this is what I was trying to ask you, because this private investigator that I have, there's some question that I asked him and he tell me 100% he can get them done, and obviously I'm gonna sign to them as well. And the one that really attracts me is the fact that he himself can submit things. So if he find enough that he can submit, obviously I have pretty knowledge of this.